Improvements to your home that are not allowed to be done as a do-it-yourselfer. Many repairs or upgrades that you make to your home or business must comply with the regulations set by your local building department. The regulations for property alterations can vary by location, but typically a permit is needed for any changes beyond simple cosmetic updates. Failure to obtain the necessary permit is considered breaking the law. Here are 9 tasks that are generally not legal to do yourself on your own property. Do-it-yourself roof repair. Roofing is a task that requires a state license for many local building departments, and if not executed correctly, it can lead to leaks and further damage to the home. Additionally, the job of roofing is hazardous and demands specialized safety equipment. It also poses a high risk of injury for inexperienced workers. The last thing you want is a water leak from a poor roofing repair. Over a long period of time, that faulty repair could end up filling your house with mold. Always hire an experienced professional. The purpose of getting a permit is to have somebody inspect the work and make sure the job was done correctly. If the work is not done correctly, the roofer could lose his license. Building or installing a patio deck. Self-built decks pose the most significant safety risk when it comes to DIY projects, and obtaining permits for their construction is mandatory in most areas. Lack of knowledge about proper deck construction can result in dangerous outcomes. In some areas, code enforcement may be able to see that you built a deck without a proper permit. They can often use drones to check areas out to see if people have done projects without a permit. You would not want to build a large deck only to have code enforcement make you take it all down and get it rebuilt using a permit. Emptying a septic tank. Proper disposal of this kind of waste is without a doubt an absolute necessity. Why anyone would ever attempt to do this on their own is beyond comprehension. To empty a septic tank, you would need a waste removal truck to stop by your property and vacuum out this waste. These vehicles are nicknamed honey wagons for people who are in this type of business. The smell is so horrific and can often make you sick to your stomach by smelling the foul stench in the air. It's best to let a professional handle this and be sure to keep far away while the technician does his job. Installing or replacing a new water heater. Installing a water heater involves working with potentially dangerous levels of electricity or live gas lines, which can pose a risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. It is not safe for homeowners without proper experience to attempt this replacement themselves, yet many people still proceed with insufficient knowledge and skill. Fixing or upgrading your central air conditioning system. It is essential to seek professional assistance when experiencing issues with heating and air conditioning systems, as they may include potential gas leaks that can cause serious health hazards such as dizziness, suffocation, and other respiratory problems. Due to these risks, it is illegal to fix or replace HVAC systems without proper qualifications. Additionally, manufacturers may void warranties if they discover attempts to repair the system without proper knowledge. Removing or cutting down large trees. If you are caught by code enforcement, you could end up getting a code violation or possibly a large fine. Many times it will require a permit by the city that you live in if you live in a subdivision. The average cost of removing a large tree is well over $1,000. If the city gives you a code violation and you decide to ignore it, you may have a problem in the future when you go to sell your house. Replacing or installing a new electrical master panel. Replacing a main electrical panel can be hazardous, not only for the person doing the work but also for the home and its occupants. Incorrectly installing the panel can result in electrocution for anyone or any animal that comes into contact with the ground. There are over 300 to 400 deaths each year from accidents created by incorrectly installing components for high-voltage electricity. Only hire a licensed electrician when having your master panel replaced. Do not attempt to do this yourself. Replacing your electric stove for one that uses propane gas. Switching from electric to gas can help you save a lot of money on your energy bills. Converting a stove from electric to gas is a complex task that necessitates permits and professional help. Installation of a gas line and proper shutoff of electrical circuits are necessary to ensure the safety and proper functioning of the final product. It's better to hire a professional. The money you pay to hire a professional to do this task will more than likely cost less than your hospital bill if you were to get hurt from such a project. Removing a wall or permanent partition. An open floor plan can be desirable, but before taking any action, it is important to consult with a professional. Some walls in a home are simply for aesthetics, while others are crucial for structural support. Removing a load-bearing wall can compromise the stability of the house and can result in costly repairs. The cost of removing a wall can vary significantly depending on whether it is cosmetic or load-bearing. The last thing you need is for your house to collapse on you. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you know any do-it-yourselfers that are thinking of taking on any of these tasks, please share this video with them.